Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find like hidden stuff on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to play the game. Hopefully I've closed Valorant. I have not done that. Sorry. So let's just open Dress to Impress and hopefully, okay, finally we made it in the game. Well, not really because we're still loading. I can hear my lovely PC. I bet I can cook an egg on it. Let's not talk about that. So, a few things that are hidden is this room that you can go to. For instance, you finished with your outfit, you can go in this room here. You can get out again, by the way, but that's where you can go to hide. I'll leave and go to one with a lobby so I can show you the other thing. Hopefully I'm in a lobby. Okay, I'm not in a lobby. Let me just leave again. Finally, after many hours, not really, but I made it into a room where there's a lobby. So as you can see, there is a color palette here next to the background. So you're just going to select it, and here's where you can change the color. You can also change it into a pattern. Only you can see it though, they can only see it as something plain. But that's pretty much it. And you can also join rooms here. I did not know that until now. There's free play mode, VIP only, and pro exclusive servers. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.